What's up, you guys? It's Anna and Johnny Anna Vlogs.
That is
So we have
ready.
the tools. We have the tool, and so
Action. We're
gonna
going.
cut it.
We're rolling.
So we need to. John, do you want it to be like the same size as a normal spinner?
Right here. Hey, let's go. One second.
Oh,
1 minute. Oh yeah, don't try this that one. Okay, honey. The whole time. So make your fingers a little more like this, John. Like a little. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
pinch. Oh,
It works.
it works.
Wait,
It's not. As
I would even.
big on your fingers.
Yeah. There you go. Yep. Nice. Good. And try to maybe turn it in a little bit this way, sweetie. How's that go? Let me get that little piece off there. Huh?
You can sort of rip it off, I think. Look at that. And then one more side.
Then.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you happen to enjoy
Oh, how bad, cheeky!
if you happen to enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm being chased. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.